C50 Mini Label Maker Operation Video. Search for LuckJingles in the App Store, or scan the QR code below to download. Hold the device button to turn on. Indicator lights turned on. Open the paper compartment. Place thermal label paper with the printing side towards the print head. Insert into the device. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and open the app. Tap the top right corner to connect the printer. Supports multiple printing methods. Start label printing setup. Set label paper size. Enter the content to print. Configure print settings. Adjust print density. Start printing. Circular label printing setup. After setting label size, tap More settings. Set shape to circular. Tattoo paper printing, replacing paper. Remove the middle white film. Place tattoo paper into the printer with the outer white film up. Tap tattoo printing. Select the design to print. Set page size to match tattoo paper size. Adjust the design's position and size on the canvas. Configure print density.